day everyone. So let's talk about Venn diagram. A Venn diagram is used to visualize, represent the differences and the similarities between two concepts. A Venn diagram are also called logic or set diagrams and are widely used in set theory, logic, mathematics, businesses, teaching, computer science, and statistics. So let's learn about Venn diagram, their definition, symbols, and types with solved example. What is Venn diagram? A Venn diagram is a diagram that helps us visualize the logical relationship between sets and their elements and help us solve example based on these sets. A Venn diagram typically uses intersecting and non-intersecting circles, although other closed figures like squares may be used to denote the relationship between sets. Let us observe a Venn diagram example. Here is the Venn diagram that shows the correlation between the following sets of numbers. One set contains even numbers from 1 to 25 and the other set contains the number in the 5x table from 1 to 25. The intersecting parts show that 10 and 20 are both even numbers and also multiples of 5 between 1 to 25. Let us understand the following terms and concepts related to Venn diagram. Universal set. Whenever we use a set, it is easier to first consider a larger set called a universal set that contains all of the elements in all of the sets that are being considered. Whenever we draw a Venn diagram, a large rectangle is used to represent the universal set and it is usually denoted by a symbol E or sometimes U. All the other sets are represented by a circle or closed figures within this larger rectangle. Every set is the subset of universal set U. Consider the given image. U is the universal set with all the numbers 1 to 10 enclosed within the rectangle. A is a set of even numbers 1 to 10 which is a subset of universal set U and it is placed inside the rectangle. All the numbers between 1 to 10 that are not even will be placed outside the circle and within the rectangle as shown. Subset. Venn diagram are used to show subset. A subset is actually a set that is contained within another set. Let us consider the example of two sets A and B in the below given figure. Here A is a subset of B. Circle A is contained entirely within circle B. Also, all the elements of A are elements of set B. This relationship is symbolically represented as A subset B. It is read as A is a subset of B or A subset B. Every set is a subset of itself. A subset A. Here is the other example of subsets. N is sets of natural numbers, I is sets of integers, and N subset I because all natural numbers are integers. Venn diagram symbols. There are more than 30 Venn diagram symbols. We will learn about 3 most commonly used symbols in this section. They are listed below as: first is union symbol. It is the element that belongs to either set A or set B or both the sets. Second is the intersection symbol. It is the element that belongs to both set A and B. Third is the complement symbol. It is the symbol that don't belong to the set A. Venn diagram for sets operation. In set theory, we can perform certain operation on given sets. These operations are as follows: union of sets, intersection of set, complement of set, and difference of set. First is union of set Venn diagram. This operation of the elements of set A and B can be represented using a Venn diagram with two circles. The total region of both the circles combined denotes the union of sets and B. Second is the intersection of sets Venn diagram. This operation of set A and B can be represented using a Venn diagram with two intersecting circles. The region common to both the circles denotes the intersection of set A and set B. Third is complement of set Venn diagram. The complement of any set A can be given as set A. These represent elements that are not present in set A and can be represented using a Venn diagram with a circle. The region covered in the universal set excluding the region covered by set A give the complement of A. And lastly, difference of set Venn diagram. The difference of set can be given as set A difference B. It is also referred to as the relative complement. This operation on set can be represented using a Venn diagram with two circles. The region covered by set A, excluding the region that is common to set B, gives the difference of set A and B. We can observe the operation on sets using the figures given show. Venn diagram for three sets. Three sets Venn diagram is made up of three overlapping circles, and these three circles show how the elements of the three sets are related. When a Venn diagram is made up of three sets, it is also called a three-circle Venn diagram. In a Venn diagram, when all of these three circles overlap, the overlapping parts contain elements that are either common to any two circles or they are common to all the three circles. Let's consider the given example. The sum important observation from the given image, elements in P and Q is equal to element in P and Q only plus element in P, Q, and R. Elements in Q and R is equal to elements in Q and R only plus element in P, Q, and R. Elements in P and R is equal to element in P and R only plus element in P, Q, and R. To draw a Venn diagram can be drawn with unlimited circles. Since more than 3 becomes very complicated, we will usually consider only 2 or 3 circles in a Venn diagram. Here are the 4 easy steps to draw a Venn diagram. Step 1 is categorize all the items into sets. Step 2, draw a rectangle and label it as appear the correlation between the sets. Step 3, draw the circles according to the numbers of categories you have. Step 4, place all the items in the relevant circle.